Good news.
Good news.
Good news.
Makochifu, I don't hear the new one in the town now.
God Seed Empire.
God Seed Empire is a wonderful house we don't joke come off. Hey, that house, my entertainment house, we.
They will teach you and teach you and teach you how to act, how to do dramas, how to do comedy, how to model. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to go to God's Seed Empire. That is where I'll be sleeping every day, because as you see me, I love to act. Acting is my life. I love it. Oh wow.
My brother, no over enjoy I enjoy God's Seed Empire pass you. My people them will not be welcome for God's Seed Empire. God's Seed Empire as well my boy I don't story una. I say it train you how you go be model, how you go to sing, how you go to dance, how you go to be actor and actress. God's Seed Empire now the good empire we don't be for Kumbana. And my brother I invite all man for Kumba may come for God's Seed Empire. God's Seed Empire in location dinner for
Maholi, Three Corners. Whoa, that road to go to Malende. If you know Malende Road, just come towards Malende Road. Before that control there is a signboard. There you get our information. God's Seed Empire.
Anyhow, as we don't tell you now, we will wait now. We will be very grateful for see for God's Seed Empire. Thank you again. My name is Emanes Brittle.
Oh, and my name now Terence David, aka Nigga P.
One. Original. No photocopy.
I repeat this one now. Oh my goodness. There is God's Seed Empire actor and actress.
Thank you.